Hello friends, I am Dr. Sirajul Haq Faizi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to talk about chemical test, especially for organic chemistry. So first I will talk about Lassen test. Test for halogens. Halogens present in an organic compound forms sodium halide. You know that. On fusion with sodium metal, sodium halide extracted with water can be easily identified by adding silver nitrate solution after acidifying with dilute nitric acid. So this is the reaction sodium plus X forming NX. NaX, if it is there, then you add silver nitrate, AgX will form and sodium nitrate. Now friend, test for nitrogens. The carbon and nitrogen present in the organic compound on fusion with sodium metal gives sodium cyanide soluble in water, and this is converted into sodium ferrocyanide by addition of sufficient quantity of ferrous sulfate. So test for nitrogen, ferric ions generated during the process react with the ferrocyanide to form Prussian blue precipitate of ferric ferrocyanide. So you can see sodium, if carbon and nitrogen is there, then it will form sodium cyanide. Sodium cyanide, ferrous sulfate gives sodium ferrocyanide, and sodium ferrocyanide react with iron 3 forming ferric ferrocyanide. Now test for sulfur. Sodium fusion will convert sulfur into sodium sulfide. Sulfide ions are readily identified using sodium nitroprusside. You can see if your compound contains the sulfur, it reacts with sodium forming sodium sulfide, and then sodium sulfide react with sodium nitroprusside forming violet color. Now friends, test for alcohol, presence of OH groups. Alcoholic compounds on reaction with steric ammonium nitrate gives a red coloration due to formation of a complex. So steric ammonium nitrate, if alcohol is present, then it gives red complex. Phenol gives colored complex with the neutral ferric chloride solutions. So this is the violet complex. Now test for phenolic groups. Phthalate dyes test. Phenol condenses with phthalic anhydride in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. Phenol condenses to give phenolphthalein, which gives dark pink color with sodium hydroxide solution. This is called phthalate dye test. Now you see the phenol, phthalic anhydride products, and then finally phthalate dye test. Test for aldehyde and ketonic groups. On reaction with 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine, they form the respective 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazones. Test for aldehyde groups. Failing test. Failing reagent is freshly prepared by mixing equal amount of failing solution. A failing solution B. Failing solution A is an aqueous copper sulfate solution, while failing solution B is an alkaline solution of sodium potassium tartrate, Rochelle salt. Now tolerance reagent. Tolerance reagent is an alkaline solution of silver cation complex with ammonia. You can see the reactions. If aldehyde is present, it gives the tolerance test. Test for carboxyl group. Carboxylic acid turns blue litmus red and react with sodium hydrogen carbonate solution to produce effervescence due to the formation of carbon dioxide. Now these react with alcohol in acidic medium to produce ester. Now carbylamine test. Aliphatic as well as aromatic primary amines give carbylamine test, in which an amine is heated with chloroform. So this is the test for amino groups. Azo dyes test. Primary amines aniline react with nitrous acid generated in situ by reaction of sodium nitrite with HCl at 0 to 5 degrees Celsius to produce diazonium salt, and this coupled with beta naphthol to give a scarlet red dye, which is sparingly soluble in water. So this is the reactions. So one component is either soluble and other is insoluble. Separations of monofunctional compound from binary mixtures. So binary mixture shake with ether, insoluble compound ethereal solution, evaporate ether, ether soluble components you can separate it. Now one component is water soluble and other is insoluble. So shake with water and filter. Insoluble component wash with water and dry. Soluble component evaporate the aqueous solution in a water bath to recover the soluble compounds. Now the component is acidic and other is neutral. So shake with the 10% sodium hydroxide. Insoluble component neutral. Soluble component aqueous solution contains acid, phenol, etc. Acidify with HCl, PPT form, aromatic acid or nitrophenol, clear solutions or colorless, cloudless, then phenol, ethereal extract evaporate ether to recover the components, and distillations distillate formic acid, acetic acid and residual acid test for other aliphatic acid. So friend, both the components are acidic, dissolve in NaOH solution, aqueous solutions, pass CO2 gas to saturated extract with ether, aqueous layer neutralize with the dilute HCl, precipitate and filtrate. Ethereal layer evaporate distilled of ether to recover the components. Now one of component of binary mixture is basic. Mixture shake with dilute HCl, soluble component, insoluble components, and then soluble component you can do. So friends, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.